I don't know if you guys can hear me, so I'm just gonna be talking throughout this if you guys can. So yeah, I decided to do a little tutorial on my little edit that I've been working on for like the past 20 minutes now. I literally just started this whole thing. I'm gonna mute the audio though because I don't want you guys to hear it. So it's pretty saucy right now. My cat is literally tweaking on my foot. And I'm gonna show you guys um this little tutorial that I like doing when I make my edits. So normally I like to have flow in my edits. I'm just gonna cut straight to the point. Um and don't mind me if I sound a little congested because I'm a little sick and it sucks and I hate it. So yeah, literally my edit right now is very plain. Not so much transitions. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add. What I like to do is I like to blend in my edits with flashes in them. So how I do that is we're gonna add a flash. Add a flash, and it's literally white. And what I do is I leave it on this track here. I leave an empty track here, and then I'll just change the track mode to dodge since that's the best one, and I'll show you the difference of what it does. Literally it's okay, so on source alpha, so that's the normal custom mode, blah blah blah, and you could change it to whatever you want. I normally go for this one. So now what you have to do is lower the opacity, and it gives you like a very saturated nice color. So for the flash, okay, so normally I edit in After Effects, and the thing is, I like editing my flashes in Sony Vegas because it's much more easier, and you get to like time it on your own, as opposed to like editing every single keyframe, to each opacity, and it gets really annoying. So yeah, you saw that? I love those. I'm obsessed with flashes. They're literally like my best friend when I'm editing. Like it makes the edit 10 times better. To me it does. And I want a lot of people to get used to flashes. Like we don't want to see your boring ass AMV. I'm just kidding. But yeah. What was I going to add it at again? Oh, I was going to add it right here. Alright, that's the end. We're gonna actually bump it up a bit. See the difference? Awesome.